Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Landlords, I am back and I hope you voted. You did the right thing. Now we are back with Umkhokha the Curse. I'm going to do a quick 2-day recap. Let us start ngoKhulekani, right? uKhulekani got an invite to overseas. Uguy is going a Phesheya. Uguy's things are happening for him. But what he did is, as much as he was telling everybody he was happy, umfazi wakhe uNomkhosi was also happy. However, he did not ask Nomkhosi to go with him. Yes, he did not ask uNomkhosi to go with him because he knew that they are conflicted, they are in different religions, and therefore Nomkhosi might not necessarily go with him, right? With that said, uNomkhosi waphatheka kabi, and she had a discussion no Nokubonga. uNokubonga pointed it out that, did you want him to ask you so that you can reject him, or what is the plan? Like, at this point, what's hurting you? Girl got back to her senses and decided to buy uKhulekani cufflinks and say she understands why she cannot go, right? So that part was well. However, uKhulekani keeps dreaming about ubani lo baba, Velasi. Keeps on dreaming ngobabakhe. The last dream was him playing soccer and he got hurt, and ubabakhe said, I will always be with you. And he said, you are going to be something big. You are going to heal nations. Exact words. You are going to be something big. You are going to heal nations. Of which uKhulekani has started healing nations via the word and actual healing. He prays for people and people get well and the testimonies are there. So, but the problem is, the father said also, you are doing the work in a wrong place. So all this work must be done etempeleni lenkosi. At this point, ngihleli ngesibunesi one, because should he, like, honestly, like, you, if Christianity loses right now and uKhulekani ungena ngale, ngiyokwata ngize ngibe bovu njengoba ngimnyama, so I'm gonna get angry until I'm red. But nonetheless, that's Khulekani's journey currently. Kube-ke uNobuntu angena amaphoyisa abazombuza ukuthi, girl, sizokubuza i-statement athi ngishonelwe umama, you cannot be asking me that question. Fine, but bantshela ukuthi you are a key witness, ayikho into ozoyenza. We need to ask you when and every time we've got questions. Okay, she answered whatever she answered. The following day, as she was talking with, hey, this man wenza so basejele ahamba nephoyisa ngaphandle, uLokhunja uMenga ubhekile, like, outside, and while she was washing the dishes, I don't know how Menga got in the gate. Maybe uMenga is invisible because the gate needs a remote and yakhiwa futhi. But in his invisibleness, he landed in the kitchen where uNobuntu was washing dishes. uNobuntu, when she turned, hears Menga. Yo, kwaphuka amaplate. Maplate ayaphuka manje. Because the reality of this man stalking her is just at her face. What will happen now? Will she tell the police? What's going to be come of uNobuntu? Yo. And then ngale kaGumede, they are worried ngoMamZobe ukuthi uMamZobe kaput, uMamZobe ushonile. But uMabusi is not happy because said, even if angashona, but at the end of the day, she's the woman that raised me, and I don't know how uPhakatholo is going to cope, how uPhakatholo is going to live without uMamZobe. Like, it was just so tense. But uSifoxiya waya kuZamcolo athi, we all know ukuthi uMamZobe lahlele khona akahlalisekanga, and the only person that can release uMamZobe from her place, from her position, from her state is you. Remember, uMamZobe drowned, uhambe namanzi ngisho, wamfuna ubani lo baba uNdlovu wangamthola, waze waphathwa yi-stress uNdlovu. So now the part is there ukuthi uZamcolo akamkhiphe, kusho bani? Kusho uSifoxiya. Hayi uZamcolo vele abona ukuthi that is the right thing to do. Laba sathandaza khona, maybe they were remembering uMamZobe, or they were doing a memorial service kwamaJudiya, or whatever that they were doing there. avele uzamcolo makavele uzamcolo bamshiftele hayi man akhulume ndolwandle silibona liguquka lithi lwandle liguquka lithi athi akaphuma uMamzobe la. Guys, waphuma uMamzobe ahamba ngenyawo zakhe eziyi-2. Hayi, everybody bow down to uzamcolo to say hayi ufanelwe uphakathe he what all the glory be given to him in our savior what uMamzobe ke decides to go and thank uphakathwayo, right? No, uzamcolo uMamzobe decides then to go and thank uzamcolo, right? Makafika kuzamcolo uzamcolo wabonga waziphonsela phansi. Uzamcolo athi I had to take you out today because not my will be done. However, every day of your life that you are alive, you are going to regret coming out of that water. You would want your life to be terminated ASAP because of the act that you did. And by the way, you did not poison my father. Okay, you might have poisoned my father, but that was his time. That was his destiny. That was his time to go. You were just the vessel that the devil used to take our father away from us. Yeah. Ngathi yano ziyabuya yiyo ke imkhokha ngizonikhechapisa ngenye very soon. Like, share and subscribe, and I hope you have voted. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.